Hey everyone, this is Mark, Skippermark. Thank you so much for watching. So a lot of people have asked how I got my nickname. I got it when I was 11 or 12. All my life I have sailed, and we were on vacation and I entered a sailboat race and we won. We won by quite a lot and beat a lot of older folks. So when we got back, the person that was issuing the awards said, "You are quite the skipper, Mark." So that kind of became my nickname and it stuck. Another question a lot of people ask me is how I got into photography. I started when I was really young. My brother was a photographer in the early 70s and mid 70s, and he shot with Nikons and Nikkormats, and I wanted to learn more about photography. So my first camera was a 110 point and shoot, and then when I was 15 or 16 I had a paper route and I bought a Pentax K1000. It was my first SLR and I loved it. Bought a lot of lenses throughout the years and just continued taking photos. In 1999 my wife got pregnant with our son Matt, and I knew that digital was the future of photography, so I bought a small Olympus point and shoot. It was a whopping 1.2 megapixels. And then in 2004 I bought a Nikon D70, and that was my first DSLR. Throughout the years I continued taking photos, trying to improve my photography and get to be the best photographer I could be. I tried a lot of different camera brands, and it turned out that I sort of got frustrated a couple years ago, and I found that for me personally, I was bored. I had taken pictures of everything around the state that I live in. We had traveled around the country, and I just lost interest. So I decided to get into videography. I had an iPhone at the time, and I started taking videos, and I liked it. It's kind of different from photography. I find photography to be very easy. You take the picture and you edit it and you're done. So videography is quite different than photography. I'm just beginning, but I really enjoy it and am looking to practice and get better and become the best at it that I can be. I currently have an iPhone that I shoot with for video and I really like it. I also have a Canon EOS R that takes amazing videos, but to be honest, I like the iPhone because it's always with me. The Canon is great and it takes amazing photos, but it's a lot of work to set it up and carry it around. With the iPhone, no matter where you are, you can just whip it out and take some really good videos. So this channel is going to be a little different. It's not going to be dedicated to just one subject. I really like NASCAR and drag racing, and my son does as well. He's a mechanic and really enjoys fixing up cars, so I'm going to have a lot of videos of him tinkering and doing different things with his cars. I've got one that I have to make where he just rebuilt an engine in his Camaro. For me personally, I like to travel and see different sites. I love history and checking out old towns, different states. So I'm going to have videos of that too. I always have my phone with me, and I can easily, if I'm somewhere where I see something that should be videoed, I'm going to take out my phone and take videos of it. So I just want to thank everyone for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to email me directly or reach out in the comments. Thanks again, and I appreciate you watching.